Do you want to get ahead of 99% of other YouTubers out there in this year 2025? All you need to follow are these three things I'm going to be mentioning in this video. As a small YouTuber, please and please pay attention to this video. Watch this video to the end and learn these three things I'm going to be mentioning in this video if you want to be 99% ahead of other YouTubers in this YouTube platform. If this is a video you would like to watch, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, share and comment on it so that it will get to a whole lot of people that needs this information. Let's go right into the video. The first thing you need to know is that the difference between making a content for you and for your audience. For example, we make content that we want to see. We make content that we like to make, all right, for ourselves. We love to make it because we love it. But we fail to understand that this content is actually meant for your audience. We do not pay attention to the kind of content we make to our audience. Instead, we pay the attention of the kind of content we make for ourselves. The number one reason people don't know the kind of content to make is that they do not know the kind of content they are making it to. This applies to any niche you are into. Whether you are into cooking niche, gaming niche, make money online niche, tech niche, or even YouTube growth niche. This applies to all the niche that YouTube has, all right? It all boils down to who you are actually talking to. So please get it clear who you are speaking to, who your right audience is. And the key to this is that you have to find out the problem they are facing and the actual solution they want. This does not have to do with only educational content. You can go into motivational content, aspirational content, inspiration content, entertainment content, so that it gives you the knowledge of who your audience is. When you know what your audience wants, please give it to them so that you have a crystal knowledge of what you are doing and the kind of content you are giving to your audience. So another note of content is that there's a difference between scrapbookable content and shareable content. Scrapbookable content is the kind of content we like to have, the kind of content we create memories with, that maybe in the next 10 years to come, we're able to look back to what we have created in the past 10 years or 20 years. That is what scrapbookable content is all about. But it doesn't really connect with the audience. And this content will not be like, they will not be shareable to other content because this audience probably will not be willing to share this content with other people. Because why? They don't really relate with this kind of content. So most people make scrapbookable content, but this make your audience not connected to it. They cannot even relate to it. But on the other hand, shareable content, viewers, your audience will want to watch it, connect with it, relate with it. They will even want to share it to their friends, to their social media platforms, for example, their TikTok account, their Instagram account, their YouTube account and channel, and then of course their Facebook account. That way they'll share your content because why? They are related to it. They can relate to it. They are connected to that content. Do you understand? Because they want to tell everyone else about you. They watch the videos, they love it, they felt the video, they found value in that video. So they want other people to see what they saw in your video. So whether you educate them, you entertain them, you inspire them, they got value out of it and they want others to have the same value, to get the same value they got from it. So the second way to get more subscribers and beat the YouTube algorithm in this 2025 is to feed the beast. What do I mean by feed the beast? Is for you to make content that your audience wants and for you to understand the kind of content your audience wants. So feed the beast simply for you to continue giving what your audience wants. Give them back to back. Don't stop giving them. Don't stop feeding them with the kind of content they love from you. Keep feeding them with that particular kind of content. I know this question will pop up in your head right now. How do I know the kind of content my viewers want? What are the kind of content my viewers want? Now, simply go to your YouTube dashboard. Let's go to your YouTube dashboard. So what you need to do is to click on analytics, and then you need to click on trends. So all these are the trending topics in my YouTube growth niche. It says here what people are looking for. All right, get ideas for your next video. What people are looking for. People are looking for YouTube channel optimization and video SEO, how to make money on YouTube, how to do YouTube SEO 2025. So all these are trending topics, what your audience and what people are looking for. So if you want to click show all so that you see all the content your audience are actually looking for, you just click on this show all, click on it, and you see the types of content. There are so many of them. Let me just minimize. You scroll down. All right, look at them. YouTube, why? This is creative girl. She inspires me a lot, so I love watching her content and I love her. Video is actually here in these trends. You can see how she's going viral. All right, so these are all the new videos to inspire you, for you to make for your audience or create for your audience. All right, so the number 3 way of you to gain more subscribers and beat the YouTube algorithm in this 2025 is to be very, very important. Consistency. Be consistent. I know people must have been telling you, post your videos once in a week, once in a month, 2 times in a week. They are all good advice, but do what is best for you. Do what your audience wants, what they want you to do for them. Okay? If you're posting one video a day, every day, and it works for your audience, it works so much, and you know that you're gaining subscribers when you post video every blessed day, please stick to it. Keep doing it. Don't stop. When you're posting every day, don't stop and say that I will post next week, I will post once next week, I'll post once next month. No, it will change the YouTube algorithm for you. Please, consistency is very, very important in this YouTube platform. So you need all the data you can gather from this. You need all the experience, and once you have gotten the data and the experience, please go out for it. So once you know how to edit a video, you know how to script a video, you know how to publish a video, you are actually gaining valuable lessons. So I need you to consider this. You need to go all in, my dear. You can't be 25% vested, 50% vested. You need to be 100% vested of the 99% on YouTubers. So if you want this to make a difference to you and to other people out there, please, you need to be committed to your YouTube channel. So when you go 100% all in, you're going to be getting the subscribers, the views, the watch hours. Your channel is going to blow up. So please know what your audience wants and then continue feeding your audience. And then the most important thing is be consistent. Be committed to your YouTube channel and you'll see the massive change in your YouTube channel. So these are 3 simple things I just mentioned. I don't want it to be complex for you. Please, just follow these 3 steps and you will give your own testimony. So I don't want it to just be 99% ahead of other YouTubers out there. I need you to be 100% ahead of other YouTubers out there, because you have gained all the experience that you ought to have gained, and that is valuable. And that is, my friend, will be the way for you to grow your YouTube channel all the way, from monetization, building your audience, and gathering your community. And I promise you, if you applied these 3 things, you are going to be growing from 0 to millions of new things, new change in your YouTube channel. It is not going to be easy, but with God, all things are possible. So you need to go all in. All right. If you find this video helpful, this video was valuable to you, you found value in this video, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, share this video, comment on it. and I'll be seeing you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.